For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Hello and welcome to Newsline Digital. I'm Ashish Parekh. Ever since TikTok was banned almost a week ago, various applications have captured the market and are making sure that they launch their own features to help them get users that were addicted to TikTok. One of the few applications are Mitro, Roposo and also Chingari, which have been doing well ever since TikTok was banned. But also apart from that, already popular social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube are also trying to make sure that they make the most out of the situation. While YouTube is experimenting with YouTube Shorts, Instagram is now launching its new feature, a short video tool, 15-second video recorder called as Instagram Reels, and this particular feature has been launched on test mode in India. While this feature was launched in Brazil last year, Instagram has been experimenting with this since last month in France and Germany, and now it has been rolled out in India as well. But before you go to your Instagram application and try out this new feature, well, this will be released in a phased manner in India, which means that users will start getting it one by one and not everyone will get it together, and this is still only a test mode that Instagram will be trying it on. So what exactly are the features and specifications that Instagram Reels brings along with it? Let's just take a quick look at all of them. First up, Instagram Reels will be accessible through the Explore tab, and the tab on the Reels button will be making sure that you go into a feed wherein you are only showed Instagram Reels. And apart from that, this will also let you filter out Reels using hashtags and various other keywords that you want a particular video to watch. For example, if you want to watch a video of a trending hashtag, you only will get those videos in case you search for that hashtag and you apply that filter. Also moving on, it will also have the popular Spark AR effects, which is available on Instagram stories, and all of those people who are interested in using this particular features, well, you will also have this on Instagram Reels. Apart from that, video speed and also customization, various customization options are available. For example, you will be allowed to customize, you will be allowed to add different music, different audio, lip syncing audio and all of those features in your video to make sure that you have a TikTok style of video ready for you, a 15-second one. And also apart from that, you also have the possibility of making sure that you have small videos wherein you can alter the speed as well. So one of the most popular features in TikTok is that you can alter the speed of the video, and that had made it very popular with users who were altering the speed of the video based on the music that was available. This also will be available on Instagram Reels. Now, while various other applications that I mentioned have already rolled out their full-fledged applications or features, Instagram is playing the waiting game and is testing the waters before it completely enters it, because it is very confident of its user base, which is in India, which is a massive one, and they know that in case they launch a feature, it will be used by a lot of people firsthand itself. Now, the other thing that also gives Instagram confidence is that almost, as per a report, almost 45% of its videos launched in that particular application were less than 15 seconds in the past 1 month, which means that a lot of Instagram users are leaning towards TikTok side of videos, and that is giving Instagram a lot of confidence. But will this particular formula work? Will Instagram be successful? Well, let's just talk to one of the social media influencers who was extremely popular on TikTok and has a good following on Instagram as well, Miss Subha Shriram, who is the Mrs. India Karnataka 2016 as well. So first of all, Shubha, you have gone through all of these features of Instagram that are coming out. You were a TikTok user as well. So what do you think of these particular features? How do you think this is going to help Instagram grow its following? And also, do you think this particular thing is going to work on Instagram? What do you think of the features?
Yesterday in the paper saying our most favorite social media interface, Instagram, is coming out with a platform that is similar to TikTok, which is called Reels, which is again a 15-second short video making fun app. So I really hope that these apps work and come up to the extent of offering a beautiful experience just like TikTok did, so that we all can shift to those apps.
Secondly, Shubha, also tell us what exactly is this obsession that a lot of social media platforms have. Do you think they will be able to make TikTok style of videos successful? Do you think they will have the same sort of appeal as TikTok had? Because TikTok really had a clean UI and also it was very hassle-free to use. Do you think all of these applications will be able to achieve that as well?
Unfortunately for me, I have not found any of these apps which are equivalent to the quality that TikTok had to offer to us. because I find that these Indian apps lack quality in them. The very easy user interface which TikTok had to offer, its ambiguity and style and ease, and also a combination of the class and the mass audience which TikTok gave us, none of these apps right now seem to offer to us, and that is indeed a disappointment, and which is kind of holding me back not to use these apps.
That was one of the social media influencers who has used TikTok as well and also is excited to use Instagram Reels, but clearly has her own opinions on the latest feature that is coming out through Instagram. But what do you guys think? Are you guys looking forward to Instagram Reels? And also, what do you think of this new obsession that social media platforms have with these 15-second videos, short video tools that are coming out? Make sure you leave behind your comment in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to News9. Thanks for watching.